coconut oil can make your hair grow longer and stronger. Here's how to use it. Coconut oil can help improve the look and strength of your hair. Coconut oil can moisturize, strengthen, and repair hair as well as reduce frizz and dandruff. It's better to apply it to dry hair. Leave it in for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse. Avoid getting coconut oil on your forehead as it can block your pores, causing pimples. Coconut oil, commonly used in the southern parts of India and some African and Asian countries, has become increasingly popular as a miracle hair product, with celebrities like Kourtney Kardashian touting its benefits. But can it actually help you grow long, lustrous hair? Coconut oil has benefits for hair as it promotes cell growth, improves circulation, and is extremely hydrating, says Michelle Green, MD, a cosmetic dermatologist with her own practice. Here are some of the science-backed benefits of coconut oil for hair and a step-by-step guide on how to use coconut oil to improve the look and feel of your hair. Does coconut oil really help hair? These are some of the research-backed benefits coconut oil can offer your hair. Improves hydration. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which is a fatty acid that moisturizes hair. Increases strength and thickness. Coconut oil penetrates your hair and reduces protein loss. It fortifies hair and strengthens it, making it appear thicker and fuller. Repairs damage. Coconut oil has antioxidant properties that help repair hair damage and make your hair more resilient. A small 2020 study with 60 participants found that those who regularly used coconut oil on their hair once or twice a week were less prone to hair breakage than those who did not. Reduces dandruff and improves scalp health. Coconut oil can help with hydrating the scalp, and this will make your scalp less susceptible to dandruff. It also reduces dryness, flakiness, and inflammation of the scalp, says Green. Reduces frizz. Coconut oil's moisturizing properties help reduce frizz and make your hair look shinier, without weighing it down. Helps treat lice. Green says the lauric acid in coconut oil can help treat lice, however, it's not as effective as over-the-counter lice treatments. How to apply coconut oil to your hair? Use it as is or dilute it. Coconut oil can be applied to your hair as is, or you can mix it with olive oil. If you opt for the latter, Green says to add 4 teaspoons of olive oil to half a cup of coconut oil. Apply it to your hair. The oil can be applied to dry hair or wet hair, although dry hair is preferable, says Green. Wear a headband. Coconut oil can cause pimples or breakouts in people who are acne prone, so Green recommends wearing a headband to keep your hair away from your face. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes. Green says the oil should be left on for 20 to 30 minutes, although if your hair is very dry, she recommends leaving it on for an hour or even overnight. Wash it off. Wash your hair as you normally would. To remove the oil. Repeat as needed. You can use this oil once a week, or more often, depending on how dry your hair is, says Green. Other benefits of coconut oil. These are some of the other uses of coconut oil. Eyebrow and eyelash growth. You can apply coconut oil to your eyebrows and eyelashes as well. Coconut oil is very effective for your eyebrows as it hydrates and protects the hair. It is also very safe around the eyes as it is a natural product, says Green. You can apply a tiny bit of oil to your eyebrows or eyelashes before you go to bed, and use a clean makeup brush or an old mascara wand to gently brush it in. Wash it off in the morning with a gentle cleanser. Again, be careful when applying coconut oil to the face if you have acne-prone skin, as it may clog pores, causing acne. Skincare. Coconut oil can also be used in your skincare routine. It can moisturize your skin, prevent inflammation, and help soothe skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. However, it may not be appropriate for people who have oily or acne-prone skin, as it could block your pores and lead to breakouts, says Green. Lubricant. Many products use coconut oil as a natural lubricant for sex. It has moisturizing and lubricating properties, says Green. Cooking. Coconut oil is used in several Asian and African countries as a cooking oil. Coconut oil has a high fat percentage, but whether it's a healthy source of fat still requires further investigation. A small 2018 study found that cooking food in coconut oil helped reduce LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, also known as good cholesterol. Insiders takeaway. Coconut oil has hydrating and antioxidant properties that can help moisturize, protect, and strengthen your hair. It can also help reduce frizz and make your hair look shinier. Other oils that are good for hair care include argan oil, avocado oil, mango seed oil, and tea tree oil. Applying oil to your hair and massaging it in can be a soothing activity that you can include in your self care routine. Thank you for watching.